Hey guys, today I thought of making a small video over the money talks, how money should work for you, what exactly you should do so that you should not run for money all throughout your life. So there are few tips which I just thought of jotting them down and just presenting in front of you. Point number one, it is very important in life to have an effective term plan. Term plan basically gives coverage to your family when you die out. So the general question which comes in front of me is, what effectively should be the value of term plan? So it is generally recommended that a term plan of maybe 10 times of your annual salary cover will be a good term plan for you, which can take care of your family after your demise. The second very important point is you should have an effective health insurance. What exactly does a health insurance does? It covers your critical illness when you fall ill. And specifically after the COVID, the demand and need for such insurance has increased drastically. So, an effective term plan should cover your critical illness, which could be your knee replacement or which could be some morbidities like cancer or other critical illness which are taking place these days. Point number three could be that you should start investing from the day when you start earning. Maybe a 2000 rupees SIP can be a great amount of investment for somebody who's earning, let's say, 15,000 rupees per month. In that case, that sense of accumulating money through investments can be of great benefit, specifically when you actually need that money. There are a lot of financial calculators which can help you in telling that for X amount of money which you need over a period of time, how much of the amount of money you should start investing. Fourth very important thing is that there should be a certain corpus which should be handy, or which we generally call as an emergency corpus. That corpus should be available all throughout your time. Maybe that you could require that money at any point of time, and you should invest that money either into a savings bank account, or you can keep debt funds which provides you 5.5, 6% of rate of return, which could be redeemed in a day's time. So that certain sense of security always comes whenever you have an emergency corpus ready with you. The very important point, which is the fifth point, you should spend over yourself in skilling yourself, in honing yourself. In this technological age, redundancy is a norm. Every person who is not getting tech savvy or who is not learning new courses or not getting skilled gets redundant. So it is very important that you should spend over yourself in getting yourself skilled, in getting yourself productive, and in getting yourself efficient as well. That spending over the human capital will pay a lot and lot than any other feature or factors available. Sixth very important point, you should value your time. Time is the most important and the precious wealth which an individual owns. In this stimulated life frame, I have realized that it is only 30 to 40 years which are productive in character. So, by valuing your time always, you can develop a sense of respect for it, and most important, you will do lot of multitasking things at the same time. The next very important thing which I think is important is that you should always have an alternate source of income. Let's say if somebody is a teacher, or let's say if somebody is a lawyer, he can always have an alternate source of income in some form or the other, be it through rent or be it through any other monetization of your habits. In my case, I generally teach students, and whatever the little amount of money I earn through my hobby, I try to save it and invest it as well. So this alternate source of income maybe can be very important for you and can help you as becoming your prime source of income at any point of time. And last but not the least, what I personally find is you should keep your emotions away while investing. For example, Buying a house at the age of 20 makes no sense. You should accumulate that money over a period of time, and by the time you turn 40 or 45, you should do a typical down payment of that house, and then you should buy a house rather than start paying EMIs at day one, which leads to lot of money getting wasted in paying your EMIs. Or for that cause, women generally have a habit of love towards their gold. So by generally spending mindlessly over gold, it is seen that your investments are not appropriately taken care of. So even if you want to buy gold, buy it into the digital fashion. That will not only help in accumulating the wealth through the appreciation of gold, but will also help in digitization of your gold, which you can sell at any point of time. So these small tips, be it your health insurance, your life insurance, investing at an early stage, keeping your emotions away while investing, having an alternate source of income, could act as a very important tool in making your life comfortable, interesting, and where you can enjoy your life to the fullest without taking care of money to a great extent. So guys, what do you really think about this video? Write it into the comment section given below. By then, watch us out for a new video which is coming out soon over Finance with Siddharth. Signing off, Siddharth Sharma.